The sacrifice for humanity is the law for the solar logos. He sacrifices himself from the dawn of life, crucifying himself on every new planet that comes into existence, so that all beings can have life in abundance. The Christ Son sacrifices himself on our planet Earth in order to give life to everything. Afterward, he resurrects in the entire creation as the grain and the grape mature. The law of the Logos is sacrifice. I would like to know our brother's concept of sacrifice. Sacrifice, as it is understood in the great work, is not just a painful sacrifice. To me, it means to give something, to sacrifice one's own comfort for the common good. There is no doubt that your concept of sacrifice is full of profound cosmic beauty. However, I do not agree regarding the factor of pain, because pain must exist in the sacrifice or sacred work. What is understood by transformation? Much could be said, and one could even object to my view. Someone might say that transformation and sacrifice are not related. However, I must emphasize transformation because it is basic to sacrifice. Let us observe this in a practical manner. Diesel is sacrificed in the locomotive to attain the power that makes the train travel on its rails. In other times, mineral or vegetable coal was used. The coal was sacrificed to attain speed. However, let us observe how different these aspects are. The coal versus the speed of a moving train. If we take a piece of coal and examine it, then observe a train in motion. They are completely different. However, through sacrifice, it is possible to transform the coal into speed. Jesus the Christ sacrificed himself extensively for humanity. Why? He needed to publicly open the doors of initiation to us, but at its core, this means something more. It is said that in the cult of Mithras, a god appears on the back of a beast, stabbing it with a dagger, and from the blood of that animal, life unfolds. Everything that is, has been, and will be comes forth. The cult of Mithras was spread throughout Europe. Through sacrifice, an inferior force is transformed into a superior and different force, just like the example of the machine and the coal. Inferential peace.